A very warm good morning to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the exercise of chapter 16 as we have already completed our chapter discussion. So, moving ahead with the exercise given in the books, today we will discuss that. It is prepared by me, by your social studies teacher Alvina Gill. Chapter 16 Agriculture Types of Crops. Number 1 exercise A exercises multiple choice questions. Here different 3 options are given in your book and we have to choose the correct option from that. So firstly we have which is the principal source of livelihood in our country. As we already know, we have discussed a lot about that the principal source of livelihood in our country is agriculture. So the correct answer is agriculture. Second one, which of the following is not a cash crop? The options are given: jute, wheat, cotton. So the correct answer is wheat. Wheat is not a cash crop. Number third, food grains sown in winter seasons are called, options are given: Kharif, Rabi, and Z crops. So the correct answer is Rabi. Number fourth, the horticulture crops include A option fruits, B option vegetables, and C1 option is both A and B. So the correct answer is both A and B. Once again we will revise our answers. First answer is agriculture. Second answer is wheat. Third answer is Rabi crops. Fourth answer is both A and B. Moving ahead with the next exercise, we have answer the following questions. The first question is, why is India called an agrarian country? So now the answer is India is called an agrarian country because more than 55% of population depends directly or indirectly upon agriculture. It is the principal source of livelihood. Now, as we can see, our country is mostly dependent on agriculture and we have the principal source of livelihood. That's why our India is an agrarian country. Moving ahead with the second one, what are the major types of crops in India? What are the major crops we are growing in India or types in India? Give example forage. The answer is the major crops in India can be divided into 4 categories. A. Food grains. Example: wheat, maize, pulses. B1. Cash crops. Example: cotton, jute, sugarcane. Plantation crops. Example: tea, coffee, coconut. D1. Horticulture crops. Example: fruits and vegetables. So in India, we have our crops are divided into 4 categories, that are food grains, cash crops, plantation crops, and horticulture. And here we have the examples of different grains different crops given with their names. Moving ahead with third question. Differentiate between Rabi crops and Kharif crops. First of all, we will discuss about the Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in summer. Examples of Rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, etc. Now, Kharif crops. These crops are grown with the beginning of monsoon and harvested in September, October. Examples of Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, etc. So, the main differences of their sowing and harvesting. Rabi crops are sown in winter and harvested in summer, and Kharif crops are harvested at the beginning of the monsoon and harvested in summer and September and October. They are harvested in September and October. Fourth question, state the reason because of which the agriculture production of India has increased. Agriculture production has increased due to the following factors. Number 1, more area has been brought under irrigation. Use of manures and fertilizers. Use of high quality seeds, means due to the development in our agriculture in different things, like in more area we have brought under irrigation, use of manures and fertilizers, and use of high yielding varieties, the main reasons for the increased production. Moving ahead with the next exercise, we have read the following statements carefully and mark tick on the true and wrong on the false one. Number 1, in our country, agriculture is an age-old economic activity. This is true. Yes, our agriculture is an age-old activity. Second one, food grains are sown for commercial purposes. False. Food grains are not grown for commercial purposes. They are grown for their own personal uses. Third, Kharif crops are grown with the beginning of winter season. False. Kharif crops are grown with the beginning of the monsoon season. Number 4th, cotton and jute are fiber crops. Yes, true. Cotton and jute are fiber crops. Moving ahead with the D exercise, we have fill in the blanks with the help of words given in the help box. And in help box, the words are cash crops, Rabi, agriculture, rice and wheat. So first one, more than 55% population of our country is engaged in agriculture. Dash and dash are food staples of India, rice and wheat. In the farming of dash, high yielding variety of seeds are used in farming of cash crops. Wheat, barley and gram are included in Rabi crops. Moving ahead, let's revise once again the answer. First answer is agriculture. Second one is rice and wheat. Third one is cash crop. Fourth one is Rabi. Now, E exercise, we have correctly match the column A with column B. Column A, column B. Number 1, agriculture is the principal source of livelihood. Here we have given the correct answers in front of their questions. Rice, important food grain of India. Paddy is a Kharif crop. Rubber is a non-food crop. So students, you have to write the matching No need to match, just write the correct answer in front of it as same as I have written. And please do all the exercise in your notebook in a very neat and clean handwriting with the proper heading and question numbers. And please, I request you to write in your work should be tidy, neat, and clean. So, students, revise your lessons once again. Try to learn your exercise after completing the work in your notebook. Please stay safe, stay at home, and keep studying. Till then, bye. Have a good day.